Okay, let's go, guys. I have got the GoPro on my head strapped like this with the handkerchief, and I hope the angle is right. So helmet পরতে পারবো না, ভেতর দিয়ে ধরবে না, ভেতর দিয়ে চলে যাবো, no problems. And make sure that you have tightened the GoPro properly. And right now I have both my hands free, which is a rare thing, very rare thing for vloggers. So that's the bike. I should record such videos a lot before my iPhone. তাই না, কত রেকর্ড করতাম এরকম ভিডিও। I lost my first vlogging channel, so I have not lost all the videos. Most of the videos I have secured. So later slowly I will publish my, yeah, it's blinking. Slowly I'll publish my previous vlogs on this channel. Hey, edike aso ana, let's go. It's blinking, you can probably see it's blinking. The red light is blinking. Okay, koi re edike aay, ki obostha? Turn it on, take a good look at my bike. It's Bajaj Platina 100. এটা বন্ধ করে দে, দেখায় তাড়াতাড়ি কর, ঢেঁড়স। ওকে, লেটস গো সেল। হ্যাঁ, ব্যাগটা নিতে হবে, নাহলে নিয়ে আসবো কি করে গোপ্রোকে? ব্যাগটা নিতে হবে, এই পাউচ ব্যাগটাতে তাহলেই হবে। Guys, I need to take the bag because otherwise how am I going to carry back the GoPro? Right, so that's why I need the pouch bag with me, which is over here. I don't know if you can see, but this bag is important to carry the GoPro back like that. ঠিক আছে, চ। ঠিক আছে, ঝামেলার মধ্যে পড়ার কোনো ব্যাপার নেই। when like I'm not feeling that hesitant right now, but when I was a kid, then I used to feel so hesitant to record such vlogs, but right now it's feeling okay. ঠিক আছে, look, here she is. This is our house. If you are new to this channel, turn it on, rev the engine, and you see this over here that acts like my throttle lock. You see, like that. Let's go. Guys, I don't really believe in speeding, so if you are looking for that from me, no, you are at the wrong place. I'm basically out testing my GoPro, that's it. but I will take you to Chandanagar Strand. And I took the right turn. I took the right turn, guys, to avoid the traffic. Hopefully you can understand me clear. Otherwise I can use a mic. I keep looking at the mirror to make sure that the LED light is blinking. Well, I am taking you guys to Chandanagar Strand, which is a very popular place in Chandanagar or in the entire Hooghly district. People are not used to seeing such setups, so I am getting a lot of attention for this setup. I'm not going to stop my bike. I'm going to go all the way to Chandanagar Strand. Then I'll take the U-turn and I'll take a different road to return. The only illegal thing which I'm doing right now is not wearing a helmet. Other than that, everything is legal. It's already getting dark, guys. Next time I need to get out a little sooner. The morning time would be the best time for such vlogs. Mary Mart. Guys, I was a little hesitant to wear this USA handkerchief, but I think this vlogging goes very well together. This GoPro goes together with the USA flag because GoPro is created by an USA company and YouTube is an USA company. Okay, so and the USA flag, the USA handkerchief. Going to take the right turn. You are not here to please the people around you. I am making my videos for my viewers, not for the random people who are in front of me right now over there. This is Chandanagar Strand. I'll have to take the U-turn. Need to take the U-turn. Chandanagar Strand, very famous in our district. That's Rasoi restaurant. I'm driving pretty slowly so that you can enjoy this strand. People call it stand, but it's not stand, it's strand. I'll take another U-turn from that side. I'll take another U-turn and I will pass by Chandanagar Church, which is called Sacred Church. The regular police cannot stop me for traffic violation. I think only a traffic police inspector can stop me for a traffic violation. I think so, and I know so. Well, nobody can stop me physically. I'll take the right turn. Okay. That's the Hooghly River. I'll take the U-turn. I'll have to check the footage, then I will decide if I should use the lapel mic. I should come here in the Sundays. Then you will see how much crowded this place gets in the Sundays. And I hope this video gets at least 100 views. Well, I don't really care, but still. Let Chandanagar Church. Next time I'll see if I can put on my glasses. I think it's going to be a little hard for me to put on my glasses with this setup, but next time I'll try for sure. That's Chandanagar Church. Could have come here in the morning time, but then you could not have seen the lights. Only now you can see the lights, not in the morning time. Most people are fine with me recording like this with my setup, but a few people who are engaged in illegal activities, they might have some trouble or problems with my setup. Yeah, blinking, the red light is blinking, so that means it's recording. I'll take the left turn, then I'll take the Chandanagar Station Road to get back to my home. And I should keep talking. Basically, I should keep talking. It's like I'm talking with somebody on my phone. Yeah, should keep talking. That's the DM office. I could have kept the displays on, but that consumes too much battery, so that's why I have turned off the displays and only the red lights are blinking, so that I have a hint if the GoPro is recording. God, it's such a useful method to learn English too. Keep driving, not driving that fast. Probably I'm on 4th gear. I'm testing this GoPro setup because I am going to learn to drive how to car, and then I'll need to use this GoPro setup to record the classes. That's why. And I hope the GoPro will blink, beep, before it turns off. But I think I'm going to capture the whole thing. always look both the sides before crossing a road. Okay, yesterday while I was returning back from after watching the cinema, then my bike stopped in the midway. I mean, yeah, it stopped. I was in the middle of the road, crossing the road, and the bike stopped. God. We'll take the left turn, or let's go a little farther, then I'll take the left turn. But oftentimes traffic police people will be over there, so I don't know if I should do it. I'm not wearing a helmet. I don't see any traffic police officers, so I think it's fine. And on the right, that's Lal Dighi. Oh God, I can also feel some water. Oh fuck. Traffic police, God. Traffic police. I should have strapped in my GoPro on my helmet. Then I could vlog openly, freely. Oh ho ho. So much water. So much water. I hope your vision is clear. Next time if I am moto vlogging, I need to strap my GoPro to my helmet. But I can use this setup for other things. So yeah. God, thank God that I was looking for the traffic police and I saw the traffic police. Otherwise, otherwise, 1,000 rupee challan for not wearing the helmet. God. By the way, this city is called Chandanagar, and I am riding on Chandanagar Station Road. And it's not that easy to snatch off my GoPro off of my head. It's not that easy. For sure, it's not that easy. On the right, we have got Bazaar, Kolkata. I have been there a few times. I should vlog like this more often. The more you do it, the better it gets. I'll also show you Chandanagar station. Okay, so yeah. If somebody tells you that it's illegal to vlog like this, fuck that person, because what am I doing? I'm basically seeing and hearing, right? That's the camera, right? So why can't I see and hear? So yeah, it's totally legal though. Anyways, yep, just turned the headlight of my bike. More. If somebody is not comfortable showing their face on my camera, they can wear a hijab or something to cover their face, because India is progressing. India is no longer a third world country. That's for sure. That's for sure. Yep, still recording. I will show you the Chandanagar station. That's why I have entered this place. Oh, guys, it's under construction. I think that was a rickshaw stand, auto rickshaw stand. Let's take the right turn. This is right now not working basically, but in the morning time this place is full with people. This place is called Bou Bazar or Kola Bazar. You can clearly see the reason. Banana market. The kola is a Bengali term for a banana. Sometimes it's just about volume, how loud you are, and that decides if you're right or wrong. Okay, so we'll take the left turn. How easy it is to snatch my GoPro off of my head. That's something I'm wondering about a little bit. I don't think it's that easy. I'm using my handkerchief to hide the straps, so it's not that easy. Maybe this video is going to have 0 views. Okay, but I'm learning so many other things. I'm learning to talk in the public. I'm learning to speak English in the public, learning to talk in public. So many different things I'm learning while keeping a straight face, not smiling like a stupid moron. So many things that I am learning. Should I go to a store to buy something? Should I do it? Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Let's go buy something. On the left hand side, on my left hand side, this is called Wonderland, KMDA. It used to be called KMDA, now it's called Wonderland. The US and India are ally countries, so but if I were wearing a handkerchief with a Pakistan flag on it, that would not be so desirable from the Indian people. But India and the US, these are ally countries, so friend countries, so fine. Yeah, I'll stop over here for something. Blinking, recording. এই দুটো 5 স্টার দিবেন তো, দুটো 20 দিয়ে দিন, 20 দিয়ে দুটো 10-এর দিয়ে দিন। দুটো 40, 60।
भारत पे पर 60 रुपए प्राप्त हुए।
कैमरा लगी?
हाँ, कैमरा GoPro।
क्या किसी ने?
ইউটিউব ব্লগিং দেখো নি আগে কাউকে?
না, এইটা এরকম লাগে, হেলমেটের মতো লাগে।
হ্যাঁ, হেলমেটে লাগায়, হেলমেটে লাগানোই ওটাই সেফ, বেটার, কারণ এখানে পুলিশ ধরতে পারে হেলমেট না পরার জন্য। Okay. You cannot release the clutch too soon. Generally I do it when I am under pressure. I release the clutch too soon. but I'll take a U-turn and return because it's already dark. Some other day I will do this type of vlogging for a longer duration. Should I buy more GoPro batteries? Should I buy more GoPro batteries? I don't know. Wonderland Park. Ticket price 25 rupees, and if you are wearing half pants then no entry. So a few things which you need to keep in mind. Never trust. Let's not talk about it right now. The gate is closed. It's not locked, but it is closed. I can open the gate and get in the field, but let's not do it right now. So still recording. Left turn. God, look at the road. And we are back. The government or Chandanagar corporation, whoever is in charge for these roads, they need to repair these roads, man. It's so much broken. God. So that's the end of this moto vlog. Is it still blinking? Yeah, it's still blinking. Let me unstrap this strap from my head and record like this for a second. Yeah, 40 minutes. So I've seen this thing before, that generally, like, okay, let's not talk about it right now, but locals, don't trust the locals, because they live around you, and if you are growing, they feel small and they don't want you to grow. So don't trust the locals. Everybody knows it. Everybody who has grown knows this thing. So let's go, guys. That's my bike over there, Bajaj Platina 100. It's not a very expensive bike or anything, but the best thing about this bike is that it's not too fuel hungry. It doesn't drink that much fuel. So that's the best thing about this bike. Oh man, I'm looking so dark. But yeah, it's recording. It recorded pretty fine, and I still have more than half of my battery left. So that's awesome. And I should record more such vlogs. Let's go. Koi holo কি হয়েছে এই বুঝবি না কি বলছি but I really while I was over there, while I was after crossing the culvert, yeah, some some crippled people maybe were calling me mad for this setup, but they don't want you to vlog them because they are criminals. They are criminals. They don't want you to grow. They don't want you to grow. They don't want you to make vlogs because then they are exposed. Okay, that's it for this vlog. Okay, let's go. And I now need to check the footage to see if I need to use a lapel mic for these vlogs or not. Let's go. 40 minutes.